Hello, my dear 101 ears. I hope that this video message finds you well and that you've had a lovely week. Welcome to week 2. Just like that, we are zoom in. So hang on tight. So I'd like to start this week's module with a random fact. Let's check out our random fact of the week. On average, a meteor the size of a car enters the Earth's atmosphere about once per year. Most burn up before hitting the ground. It's a good thing the atmosphere takes care of it, huh? I can't imagine being around when something like that hits. Imagine you're like driving and all of a sudden, boom! If it were to get in, oh, that's scary. Anyways, that is our random fact of the week. Let's take a look here at our syllabus, at our signposts that we have ahead. As you can see, we're starting our first thematic unit, which is textual analysis. Additionally, we'll also be looking at other logistical things, such as in this case, intertextuality. So look at these first signposts. As you can see, we're assigning our first essay, and as you can see, the brainstorm will be due Sunday. There's an accompanying homework that goes with our intertextuality lesson, and that one will be due next Tuesday. So those are the signposts for this week. Let's go ahead and check out our Canvas. So let me move myself to the side here. Very good. Excuse me. I had a candle on. The smoke is getting to me. Oh, anyways. So, first thing, we have our first discussion question. It's an important one. You see, as a class on academic writing, this is an important primer. And yes, so please check out this article, What is Academic Writing by L. Lenny Irvin. And it's so interesting and liberating because it presents a lot of myths that oftentimes keep us stifled and just feeling, I guess, like with a block. I know in high school there were a lot of things hammered down in our head, and such as like writing being a template and just a very static conception. But writing is much more. It's a dynamic thing. So please check out this article. What I want you to do, this is our task for the week for the discussion board. What are some of the key ideas or concepts or golden quotes that stand out to you from this text? So a golden quote is kind of like a aha type line that you read, like a ah type thing. So additionally, after that, how can you apply some of these to your understanding of the work of academic writing? Why is this important? We're always pushing to answer the so what question, which is the implications. Additionally, if you want to represent with an image or a meme or a GIF or a video or something like that with your response, feel free to do so. So I just want to show you. Do recall that your response should be at least a hearty paragraph. And additionally, if you want to get full points, remember to also reply to at least one classmate's post. All right? And that's in at least 2 hearty sentences. Strong posts will demonstrate clear and relevant engagement with the article. Now, I want to show you, all you have to do is hit reply after you've typed out your response. Let's say you wanted to embed like a like a pertinent meme or picture or something like that. You just have to go, you could do a series of things. You go to insert and image and then upload image, or you can go to this icon, which is the same thing, the image icon, upload image, and you go there. So that's if you want to have like an accompanying image that goes with it. Maybe you felt like super liberated with the myth that was dispelled of you can never use I. Yeah, you can use I. Or the myth about writing being only 5 paragraphs. Maybe because you felt liberated, you find a picture of like a bird's cage opening up and flying out. Whatever goes with the concept. Okay, so that is that one. The other thing, let's see. So Irvin, This next lesson, intertextuality, as you can see, the video is already in there, the lesson, and this is the accompanying homework for it. As you can see, that will be due by next Tuesday. And we have another lesson too, textual analysis, and that's actually an important primer for our first paper, which indeed, surprise, surprise, is a textual analysis. So do check that out. The video's in there already too. And yeah, so there's the essay, particularities. And there is the brainstorm that goes with it. So my dear 101 ears, that is it for this overview video. I wish you a lovely week and see you next week.